Welcome to day 68 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a win, and the reasons why I entered were daily fair value gap right here, daily order block, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low. Once it was inside of the Fibonacci going zone, I entered for a trade. So on this breakup structure, I entered stop loss above it with a little breathing room. Take profits were this area of liquidity and also the swing low. First take profit was hit, and then I moved my stop loss to the break even, which was a good thing because I would have gotten stopped out in the end. And because I moved my stop loss, I made neither profit nor lost something, but that's fine. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was also a win, and the reasons why I entered were 4-hour fair value gap right here, 4-hour order block, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, and I entered once again inside of the going zone on a break structure. So on this candle I entered. No, I did not enter on this candle. I entered on this candle. Why does it move? I don't know. But yeah, I entered on this candle. Take profits were this area of liquidity and this area of liquidity. And I actually wanted to place another TP at this area, but I didn't because at first my stop loss was like at the bottom of the 4-hour order block, but because I wanted to move it below this area of liquidity with a little breathing room, that's why I only placed my first take profit right here, which was a good idea actually looking back, because this ain't nothing. This is like a low time frame, just consolidation high. It's not even a good area of liquidity. It would have been a bad take profit. So it's a good thing that what I did with my take profits and stop loss. Let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was also a huge win, and the reasons why I entered were 3-hour fair value gap right here, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. And I was looking for some breaker blocks or some order blocks. I found this one in the 30 minutes, and I entered on a breakup structure in the lower time frames. So this candle I entered. Once again, I used two different positions to show you why I entered, and to show that I have different stop losses. First trade I entered. First trade I entered on this candle. Stop loss was like at the bottom of the 30-minute breaker block, and take profit was at the 50% mark of the equilibrium, as you can see right here. And the trade where I gave my stop loss more breathing room was this one. As you can see, I still entered on the same candle, but the only difference being I placed my stop loss at the bottom of the 3-hour fair value gap. Take profits were these two areas of liquidities. And both my take profits were hit. I think actually, first trade was really picks the perfect stop loss, you could say, because as you can see, it just barely avoided taking me out. But for the second one, I think I actually gave it again too much breathing room. But I did it to be safe. And so let's just see how the last trade goes. And the last trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were 4-hour order block right here, 4-hour fair value gap, equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low, and a break structure inside of the golden zone in the lower time frames. And so it was right here. Stop loss, bit of breathing room, take profit only one at the swing low. The reason as to why I shouldn't have entered were equilibrium felt really bad. I am annoyed currently because my fucking iPad won't charge and I need it for school. And I would like to, of course, try a different adapter. But fucking Apple decides to make a different adapter and cable for every fucking thing. So yeah, we'll see if I can write in school today or not. And this iPad is like pretty new, so let's go. I love fucking Apple. That's already it for today's episode. We'll see you in the next one.